afternoon. Uh, Suppose you want to take an online class using a mobile phone, right? And during the online class, you want to show a PowerPoint presentation or a PDF file through which using which you want to teach. Then you have to make sure that your PowerPoint presentation or PDF file has to be uploaded in the drive, Microsoft drive. Okay, for that, first what I'll do is I'll go to team. This was your teams, right? Then what I need to do is I need to bring the PowerPoint in the drive of Microsoft. So what do I do? I click on more, right? In more I'll go to files. I click on file. This is my OneDrive. This is belongs to Microsoft. Here I need to get my PowerPoint presentation or the PDF file, right? So how do I get that? It's very easy. There is nothing very difficult. So what, I click on OneDrive, okay, and then I click on plus, okay, and then upload, okay. Now upload, straight away you see I'll go to my okay, I'll see this is my phone. Okay, this is the first one is the phone RMX19. This is your phone. From the phone, if you want to pick up any picture or PowerPoint or PDF, then you will be using this RMX190. This is my phone memory, and this is my drive. This is another user's drive. These are Google drives. Okay, then the last one is my Google drive. So I click on my, or even you can get it from the download folder of your phone. This is visible here from the picture. You know, if you have clicked photograph using a phone, you will get it in this picture folder. If it is a video, you will get it in the video folder. Audio, all these are there. So I want to get it from my Google drive, so I click here, then I go to my drive. Okay, yeah, I have got. Then what do I do is, let me find PPT. So let me find out my, see, I'm not getting a good one. I'm looking for a PPT, PowerPoint presentation. Let us take this one. Okay, yeah, now it is getting uploaded. Yes, so it has come here, right? Then my work is done. Now you go back to Teams. Okay, now suppose I will, you know, schedule a meeting in my general channel. Okay, in demo is the class. Here I want to schedule a meeting in the general channel. So I'll go to calendar. Okay, I click this plus, then I say suppose my uh, maths, I name it as maths 1. And which channel? I go to my demo, and I, general is by default. You can have many channels, English, then maths, social science, all these channels can be here, other than general. So since I do not have it, is just for demo purpose, I'll keep it in the general. So in the general channel, then the time, suppose I keep the time as 2:15. Okay, I make it 2:15 so that I can start my class now itself. 2:15, done, and then I say tick, my work is done. I've scheduled my class. Now after scheduling, one more important thing which you need to do. What is that? So for that, what I'll do, I'll go to my Teams, and then I go to my general channel. This is maths 1. This is the one. Okay, now I click on maths 1. I come here. Now here you need to do one thing, as you were telling me that, sir, students are removing me from the meeting. Okay, and this is one. And the second thing is, students can also share their screen in between and disturb you. To prevent these two things, what you need to do is, you will go click on see more. Okay, and then click on meeting options. Click on meeting options. Once you click on meeting options, it will go to the web browser. It will open up some settings where what you need to do is, yeah, again it has asked for the, I'll click here, I'll click here. This it is just authenticating whether I am the right person or not. Okay. Now this is meeting options. Okay. Everything remains same. Only where you need to change is who can present. Instead of everyone, you will make only me. Right? And then save. Done. This you have to do every time you schedule a meeting. This is something very important. Okay. This is done. Then what I can do is I can close this window. I can close this window. And I come back to my Teams. Okay. Back. Okay, back. Now suppose it is time, now I want to start my meeting. So how do I start? In demo there is a this is the maths one, this is the schedule, this is the maths, this is the online class which I have scheduled. I click on maths one and I say join. As soon as I say join, it asks for this option, join now. I say join now. red button. So my meeting is ended, but it is not over. You need to cancel the meeting. It's very important. So how do I cancel the meeting? I go back on the top. There is a arrow. I click on it. I come back. Then again an arrow. I come back, and then you have to go to calendars. Okay. You can come to calendar. You can see this was the maths class, right? This was math. I click on maths one and see you will get a option down below cancel event. You need to cancel the event. Once you cancel the event, your work is over. That means your class gets over. And this is all about your, I think I have, you know, addressed all the queries you are having. Thank you very much.